pieces for the massive screen enclosure start arriving and the work to keep out the insects begins. The mounting system, which includes an integrated gutter, attaches to the eave of the house, and then the aluminum framework that supports the rest of the structure starts going up around the pool. It's kind of like putting together an enormous erector set. And as the framework starts to take shape, it begins to resemble some sort of space bubble from a science fiction movie. The screen itself is much like the stuff used on your windows, only larger and much tougher. After the individual pieces are cut out, they're secured with a rubber spline. Again, just like a window screen, only bigger and stronger.
Well, the guys have pretty much completed all of the framework for the screen enclosure around the pool. They still have a few little pieces of screen to install here and there, but this screen has to be rugged because of the large expanses we have here. You don't want to have to get back up there and replace it at any time. And believe me, this stuff is definitely rugged. And you know, we mentioned earlier about how we want to safeguard against the chance of any kids or pets falling off of this. Well, this will definitely do it. You can't even tear this stuff. Pretty rugged.